Is that for both the diplomas, or is it like for one diploma?
So both diploma.
For both the diplomas, okay. And after three registration kept alive, you cannot like do it once more, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So this was for both the diplomas. And where can I find the updated student handbook?
It will send you to your
They will
mail.
send you
Okay.
a mail.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. All right. Thank you.
Jivraj, please start explaining the data science diploma subjects.
Yeah, machine
Jivraj?
learning foundation course is continuation of maths too. If you have done good in maths too, then you will do good in MLF. And MLT starts with it starts with basic knowledge of MLF, and then it will build some machine learning algorithms, which will be very helpful for MLP, which will make your okay, which will allow you to do good in MLP.
Okay. So
And
guys,
in
foundation is done. Now we are explaining degree level data science courses. So please understand. So if you study maths 12, then you will do good in MLF, right? Jivraj, that is what you are saying, right?
yes,
Okay. And for MLT?
yeah. For MLT, you need to watch lectures, and lectures are very good. So there are few things which are imported from MLF, and there will be few new things which will be about the algorithms which we use in machine learning tasks, and those
Okay.
algorithms will be coded in MLP course, and there we will have a project also.
Okay. For MLP, there is a project. Okay. Okay. Oh, so BDM management, business data management is about business data management. So it is more likely how to use Excel. So you don't need to worry about if you don't know what it is. So just go through it. And for business analytics, it is how we use mathematics in business. So it is also easy, but first you need to complete BDM, or along with BDM only you can take BA. Tools in data science is how you can use programming language and other tools to extract data and do some data analysis on it. So the only purpose of tools in data science is extracting data, that is scraping. And the diploma in programming subjects have these subjects. So program PDSA, so data structures and algorithms using Python. So it is all about how we efficiently make some programming and we get the desired output in without wasting resources. Database management system is how we store uh, database in a relational manner. Modern application development one is just building a website. Modern application development two is also building a website but with additional tools. System commands is just using terminal in order to get desired output, something like that. So system commands is just using commands. Is about commands. That's it. Java Java is also easy if you know Python. How you did some output using some syntax. Java is also same like that. You just need to know understand what is Java, how it is, how it works, and you need to code in Java and get the output like that. So diploma projects. So in diploma there are four projects: Math one, Math two, machine learning, and business data management. So in Math one project, you just need to know Python. After knowing Python, you need to practice how to make a website using Flask and how to connect the application with SQLite database. After connecting with Flask with SQLite database, you need to create some HTML templates and render it using Ginger template. So after that, you need to send the made template to the user, and in the user place, you need to use CSS to style it. So it is optional. So main thing is how you can use Flask and SQLite database and connect with and render the template. That's it. Math1 project is that's it. And in Math2 project, you are using Flask to create REST APIs, and you need to connect with SQLite. So it is based on Math1 project itself. So in Math2 project, you are using Vue.js to uh, get the response from the APIs, Flask APIs, and you are rendering your front end in user side only. So the difference between Mat 1 project and Mat 2 project is, in Mat 2 project you are rendering the template in user side only. Here you are rendering at the server side and you are sending it to user. So that's the difference. And BDM project BDM project is difficult because please remember this, like take BDM project in the first term itself, because it will consume a lot of time. So many students take it that the last term of their diploma completion, and they will be stuck to complete the BDM project and enter into degree level. So better to complete BDM project in the first term. I mean, try to take it in first term, and along with the rest diploma courses, I mean diploma terms, try to complete it. Okay. So in BDM project, we just need to contact a business, and we need to collect data which is related to a problem. After that, we need to clearly explain what the data we collected, how we collected, like that, and you need to explain what the data you have collected. After that, you need to clean the data. After that, you need to analyze the data, and you need to provide insights from the data you have conducted to the business, and you need to solve the problems. You don't need to solve problems, just you need to give some suggestions to the owner. So after that, after making all these things, you just need to make a report. There will be uh, Jivraj, what is the first report?
There will be 3 reports: proposal, after that midterm, after that final report, and then we'll have a viva.
Yeah, after completing these, okay, sorry to, I forgot. So after completing Mad 1 project, you need to give Viva. So where you need to explain what you did, how you did those things, and there will be some basic questions like to test your understanding. In Mad 2 also there will be a Viva.
Yeah, Nandan, do tell them about the two vivas that are there.
Okay, in Mad 1 and Mad 2 there will be two Vivas. In the first Viva they will just check what you have done. In the second Viva they will test your knowledge. So do for Mad 2 project. In the BDM project, your work is checked by your reports, what reports you made. In through the reports, they will understand. Okay, this person did these things like this. There will be a final viva. So BDM project you can submit every month. So that's a good thing. The only thing is you need to make reports without any mistakes. So otherwise, the TS will reject your reports. And in Viva, they will just ask what you did, and they will check your understanding about the business problem statement and how you solved it. Like that's it. Jivraj, can you explain about MLB project?
In MLP project, they will provide us a problem statement along with the data, and the problem statement will either have regression problem or it will be a classification problem. In classification problem, we try to classify data in certain classes, and in regression we'll try we will have continuous range of values which can be predicted. After they will provide us with the data, so and problem also they will provide. The image which is on the slide is standard in industry process. So in industry they will first identify the problem. After that they will try to collect the data which is relevant to that problem, and then they will validate the data before doing anything with that data. After that they will try to analyze which all are the good features which comes under EDA part. Then they will pre-process the data, and the data will be augmented from various streams. After that they will run some 10 or 20 models, and they will pick 3 or 4 best models, and they will and then hyper tune those models to get optimal results to improve Kaggle score. So what is Kaggle? Kaggle is a platform where MLP project will be held, and more if you have higher Kaggle score, that will be corresponding to higher grade.
Okay.
And
So, mhm.
normally they will be using F1 score as an evaluation metric.
Okay.
And
For movies, you don't need to think about all these things. So it is simply is it data loading, right, Jivraj? After getting data, we just train the machine learning models using Python libraries, right?
yes,
Okay. Uh, is it done, Jivraj?
yes, and understanding the formula which is provided in the grading document is very important, because they will give some marks for notebook, they will give some marks for EDA, they will give some marks for vivas, and they will give some marks for your Kaggle score. So understanding those terms is very important for optimizing the score.
Okay, so it is important to read grading document.
Yes, it is.
Basically, before every course, you do need to go through that grading document, because every term there are some sort of changes. So if you are aware of those changes, if you are aware of what the grading scores are, how your marks will be calculated, then that will be very beneficial for you in the long run, in the
Yeah,
course run. Okay.
you can also make strategies to score good.
So yeah, it's definitely recommended to read the grading document before your term starts.
Okay, so these are the best mixed paths. So if you want to complete diploma in 3 terms, then it is not recommended. But if you are in a hurry and you need to complete in 3 terms, better complete the requirements. So for math, after completing math one only, you can complete math two. Like that, we have colored, so you can understand. After BDM only,
And
you can take.
these three term pathways are recommended only if you are very proficient in all these things beforehand. Like,
Yeah.
let's suppose you are an
Hmm.
industry professional and you're just doing it for maybe some data science subjects, and you know about the programming subjects a lot, pretty well. So only in that case, these three term things are recommended, because uh, diploma is not a child's play. It will definitely consume your time, and it is suggested that you give some time, because you are going to learn a lot of things here. The projects do make them properly. So yeah, that is why doing in 3 terms is not recommended if it's your first time going through all these subjects. But yeah, if you are an industry professional, let's say you have been doing all these for past 5, 10 years or 2, 3 years, then yeah, definitely you can go complete in 3 terms.
And it is always suggested to take MAD 2 in second term and medium in first term, because these are the two projects which might take time. So medium project takes one whole term to at least understand what I need to do. And similarly is with MAD 2.
So math two is time taking project, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, if you want to complete in 4 terms, so this is the plan. So please take screenshots. If you have doubts, you can ask after
See,
showing the
about
deck.
the 4 terms thing, basically, please move back, Nandan.
Yeah,
For the people who are doing standalone degree, who are doing this degree as standalone, 4 terms is actually recommended, because see, the way this is planned here, it is pretty much. It won't have so much load on you, and you'll be able to give them proper time to all the subjects on all the projects. So and please do explain why you have kept SC in the second term, or DBMS, MLF, BDM in the first term.
okay, okay.
Nandan, Javraj, do explain all this.
Hmm.
If
Zurich,
you
can you
take
explain first this?
Okay, if you take MLT after MLF, it will be helpful. If you take MLP after MLT, then it will be helpful. And if you take TDS after MLP, then it will be helpful, because in the last term they have introduced generative AI and all those stuff. So it is good to do MLF, MLT, MLP, and TDS in the same sequence. And for MAD 2 project, MAD 1 project, there might be some requirement of terminal commands. That is why we have kept system commands in second term.
MLF is basically based on the foundations of Maths 2 and SATs 2.
Yeah.
So it is definitely recommended. Let's say if you have completed your foundation in this term and you have done Maths 2 and SATs 2, and I think if you, let's say if you're proficient with the concepts, then definitely take MLF in the next term, because that is, I think the most of that MLF thing is based on Maths 2 and SATs 2.
Hmm.
And after that you can proceed with MLT in the next term, then MLP afterwards, and TDS in the last term. Like,
Yeah.
I'm very sure, like, most of you must have read that discourse post about TDS being the easiest subject, but please don't go don't fall for that and actually take TDS in your first or second term. Okay, we'll come on that later. But yeah, as Jivraj said, for MAD 1 project, there might be some help from SC because of the terminal commands that you have to use. So yeah, definitely you can take SC beforehand as well. And another reason for taking SC before is the OPP. The difficulty of OPP is sort of tough. I think Jivraj and Nandan, you will be rating it
Yeah.
tough, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
Yeah, so basically, it's a safe side to have SC completed in your early terms. So that, let's say if you are taking it in the last term and you somehow get stuck on the OPP thing, then it won't be very nice to have a term dedicated just for OPP. It will be a waste. So yeah, that is why.
So first term you should take DBMS, because after taking DBMS, you can take DBMS along with MAD one or before that. So better to complete DBMS first, because you will know OPP. I mean, you will experience OPP in the diploma term. So as in Python, it is in diploma also. After completing DBMS, you can take MAD one. In MAD one, you need to query the database. So the SQL will help you. So complete the DBMS before. So
Yeah.
after MAD one, you will know. Yeah.
DBMS is the core requisite of MAD1. So basically, you need to complete DBMS before MAD1, or you need to complete DBMS
Yeah.
with MAD1 in
Hmm.
that same term, and it will actually help you in the project, basically.
Yeah, SQL querying database. Right?
And for something that you have to look out in DBMS is the OPP. OPP, it is not really tough, but that one question, it is what is mandatory is the Python integrated one.
Connectivity. Hmm.
Yeah, Python connectivity one. It is the mandatory question. Without that, you won't be passing the OPP. So please make sure of that. Please
If you
make
have
sure
better
you
understanding,
look
yeah,
at.
it will be done. That's it.
Yes.
Python. So after Mat 1, you should take Mat 2, because Mat 2 is based on Mat 1 only. The only thing is you are not rendering template. You are using JavaScript framework to render that front end. So that's the difference. So after DBMS, you should take Mat 1. After that, you should take Mat 2. And it is recommended to take PDSA, because it is more algorithmic thinking. So take it in the last term. I mean, you can shift the white ones, you can move. Is it right, Jivat?
Yes, bytes one are can be moved.
Okay, it can be swapped with any other white one. So PDSA, I mean, after completing these three terms, you will be able to handle that much difficulty. So I guess you can take PDSA in last term and complete the OPP also. You just need to spend time, that's it. And the TDS and system commands are 8 week courses. They are 3 credit courses. So TDS, you just need to use Python to scrap data and some other techniques. In BA, you are using just mathematics to represent business problems, those things. And Java is a programming language. Um,
Please, Java is Java.
Java is Java.
What will you tell about Java? So
Yeah,
yeah, that is this is something that you can do in the last terms, Java, TDS, and PDSA. Like for TDS, personally, because this is I recently completed my second term of diploma, and I took TDS last term, and that is something I won't recommend, because TDS is a very interesting subject, and so there were very new concepts for me to that would basically would have come in the subsequent terms of diploma. So TDS is definitely recommended to take at in the last term.
yeah. So
Okay, at least
Java is,
take it in the last term or take it after MLT, because
yeah.
there is some algorithms involved in it.
Yeah.
So Java is heavy syntax language, but I suggest just understand how it is working. That's it. If you understand how it is working and the English behind it, that's it. People are like just by harding the syntax, so it is not good. If you understand that logic, then you can do well in quiz and also do OPP also. You just need to practice the IQs. So don't worry about Java is it's easy if you just understand what's going behind, but not by heart. Whereas BA, you just need to remember some formulas and solve the business problems they are giving. And system commands, you just need to know some terminal codes to get your desired output. And grep, prep, pattern matching, those things will be there. And you don't need to have any prerequisite. You just need to understand how they are teaching. That's it. BDM, it is just like Excel, nothing but Excel. That's it.
Yeah, medium
So
for medium, the assignments are pretty important because they
mm,
constitute, I think, 70% weightage. Assignments are 70% weightage in medium, and the end term is only weighed around 30%. So
yeah,
assignments are definitely you have to like some of you might be ignoring these assignments, but here you cannot do that because it is 70% weightage, and BTM is easy to score.
yeah. So
And in
DBM, mhm.
yes, Nandan.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, in Mad One we have some lab assignments will help a
Yeah.
lot in doing project.
Will help if you do it by your own self.
Yes.
Yeah, please don't copy, okay? In diploma level, maybe foundation you did, but diploma level, try to do it your own. Okay, if you
Because
want to
the
complete, then after completing you can, but please don't
because the
copy blind.
basically the projects are based on that. So
Yeah.
yeah, you have to definitely do it by yourself if you want to do well in your project.
Hmm. And the only thing in Mat 2 is they don't have any practice assignments. So please try to practice. We will just complete the videos and we will just move forward to grading assignments. That's it. but better to practice in Mat 2 because there is no lab assignments like in Mat 1. We will have no motivation to do the coding, so it will be difficult in Mat 2 project. So my suggestion is only do the practice assignment. I mean, practice along with the instructor so that you can understand. Okay, this is what I need to do. So it will be useful for you in Mat 2 project. That's it. So in diploma level, to get S grade, BDM is very easy. BA is also easy, but you need to do calculations very well. Don't do calculation mistakes. TDS is easy unless you do ROE very well.
Yeah, for TDS, one thing that you need to be aware of is that ROE constitutes of 20% weightage, and it's sort of difficult to score in ROE. I mean, even if you are actually learning that subject from the very first week, it is difficult to because something about one thing about ROE. ROE it is sort of an open book exam. Like you'll be asked, you'll be asked to use any of the resources that you have at your hand. Like you can use Chat GPT, you can use any books, you can use any codes that you know, everything. It is not proctored. It is not basically proctored, but you have 45 minutes. You'll be given huge load of data sets, and you have to extract those data sets, and based on that, there'll be questions that you have to solve. So it is time consuming, but the time that has been given for ROE is less, and hence the students score less in ROE. You
Yeah.
just be prepared for that.
Good practice is the key to make it fast. So yeah, TDS, BA, BDM, you can get S grade easily if you spend time and do assignments well. DBMS is also easy to get S grade, but just understand the logic, how we are querying the database, how SQL statements working, what is the inner joint. So the concepts you just need to understand and practice. That's it. And any other subjects where S grade is possible? Yeah, Java. Java is very easy. So the thing is, people will try to by heart the syntax. Since Java is heavy syntax language, just don't remember about the syntax because in OPP and exams also they will give you syntax. You just need to understand how the logic is working. So that's so Java, DA, TDS, BDM, DBMS, you can get S grade easily. And the rest subjects, can anyone, Shreyansh, Himanshu, Jivraj, is it possible to get S grade easily?
It is possible to get S grade if you study. I mean, if you study from the first week, it is definitely possible to get S grade. But yeah, like
Yeah,
Yeah, these
for subjects such as MLF, MLT, and MLP, it is very easy to get S grade. The only catch is
MLT.
in MLT.
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
depends on
Okay.
understanding maybe. Just spending time. Okay, Jivraj.
The only thing is in MLF and MLP, the uh, they are not much connected. There are very few things which will be important from MLF to MLT, but
Mhm.
they are using different terminologies. One will instructors will represent in row vectors, and in MLT they will represent as column vector. That might be there might be some confusions with that.
So better to not take MLF and MLT unless you're better at machine learning. Okay.
No,
I mean,
until you can handle the confusions.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we see. I think that will come in the next slide. I think where we will be talking about the separate diploma paths.
Okay, okay. So should I go next?
Yeah. We can proceed.
Okay, mixed best paths. So continue.
Hello.
Oh, wait, please wait. Please raise your hand if you have any.
Aditi, we'll take your questions. Just let's finish the presentation here, and we'll definitely take your question.
So in 5 terms, if you want to complete, better to take BDM first only. In every term, I mean, if you are entering the diploma, just take BDM first because BDM will take a lot of time. So you need to contact a business, they need to give you data. So all these process will take time. So take it in the first time itself with the BDM project course. So DBM as I said, and MAD 1, MAD 2, one after the other, MLF, MLT, MLP. These things should be done in a continuous way, else it will be difficult for you. Don't give any break. This is the only suggestions we can give. And PDSA, DBMS, these things you can swap. Take BA in the last term itself. And yeah, after getting the taste of degree, diploma, you can handle well in the last term, I guess. But yeah, because of the project, don't delay. Take the projects along with the course. If you are not able to complete it with the course, make it in the next term. So in 6 terms, you can take two courses. So So in the first term, you can relax, or else you can take medium part at that term itself. Yes, Ram.
About these 5 and 6 terms, basically about these pathways, basically, let's say if you're doing it standalone, and again, try to complete it in 4 terms, but yeah, don't give yourself too much pressure. You
Yeah,
can complete it in 5 terms as well. Let's say if you are if you go and enjoy in paradox state, that is some sort of extracurricular activities that you might want to get indulged in, the mm, the paradox or maybe the house councils and all stuff like that. If you want to go and yourself and get yourself involved in that, then maybe it will take you 1 term more, 5 terms, 6 terms. I don't think it should take 6 terms. Like if you are doing it standalone, it should definitely shouldn't. But yeah, if you're doing it with some other degree, then maybe it can. But yeah, definitely again not recommended.
yeah, okay. So not mixed best path. I mean, not mixed best paths. So if you want to do only data science diploma in 2 terms, then this is the best path you can take. And diploma, I mean, unless you have better understanding and you want to complete only the first diploma in a specific data science or programming, don't take this. Okay, better to take mixed paths because you will you don't need to. I mean, you will have better understanding. That's it. So we'll focus both of them, so we will have better understanding and you won't forget. But if you do first only data science things and you don't know about programming and you suddenly gone into uh, diploma in programming and you are only thinking about programming, you may forgot about data science. So better to take it in a mixed path where you will, along with data science, you are also programming. So you will know how to use programming to do data science related things. That's it. So better to do mixed unless you are specific. Take best path of only specific diploma in the data science or programming. That's it. So if you want to do in 3 terms, then you should take MLF, MLT. After that, only MLP in a chain. If you are taking 2 paths, then you should take MLF and MLT only, then only MLP. So in programming, you can swap these things, but the MAD one, MAD two should be done one after the other. Only thing is DBMS should be done along with the MAD one. But don't put the projects at the last term because of projects you are entering into the next level, that is the degree will be postponed. So better to take projects before only. But MLP project will be easy compared to 4 projects in diploma. MLP project will be very easy. Math one will be easy if you understand how the framework working, how you are connecting those things. Math 2 is bit time taking, but it is a fun process if you love the process. That's it. BDM, for BDM, you just need to contact a business. So the BDM is a little bit difficult for most of the students because of BDM only. I mean, some students don't know, so they will take BDM at the last term and they will feel difficult to complete that, and they will only take BDM for the rest subjects, for rest terms. So uh, yeah. Conclusion about okay. Before that, okay. First, give conclusion or solve doubts, Shreyans?
Yeah, I think we can begin with the doubts. Basically, did you tell them about that? Why doing the diploma separately is not recommended?
Yeah, I have said that. So if you
Yeah,
do
okay.
both diplomas mixed, then it will be good for you. So you will know how to use programming to do data science related tasks. But if you do only data science, then you are doing programming, then you may feel the loss of connection. So if you focus the two
Loss
terms,
of connection, and yes, there will be more load on you like that. MLF, MLT, BDM.
If you if
I mean,
you mix them, then you can arrange all math subject like MLF, after that MLT, and after that MLP. That will reduce load.
yeah, hmm,
Yeah, 2 3 things like what I think we will recommend it from our side is do follow the mixed pathways for 4 or 5 terms. 4 or 5 terms should be enough for you to complete the diploma, and don't keep the projects for last. Like some people do
yeah,
that. Like they keep the projects at for the very last term, that they will do all the projects in one go. No, that's not gonna make sense, and that's not that will be very difficult for you. That would put too much pressure on you. So please don't do that. Do the projects parallelly. Like let's say if you have completed Mad1 right now, so if you complete the Mad1 projects in this term or the subsequent term, then your marks will be capped out of 120. That means let's say if you get 70 in Mad1 project, So it will be multiplied by 1.2. That is, you'll get 84. That is sort of a bonus marks. So please don't do this key. I'll do a mad one right now, and after 4 terms, after completing all the theory subjects, I'll do the projects at very last. No, no,
Then it
it won't
also
help.
becomes very difficult to do because you will have to recollect the theory.
Yeah, you'll have to recollect the theory. The concepts will be lost, and it will be very difficult, I think. So
There is
personally, not recommended.
only one benefit of doing one diploma first and then doing second diploma. Uh,
Okay.
Once you complete one diploma, you can register for internships. So if you want to pursue internships, then you can take this path. Otherwise, I recommend you to choose the mixed path. And do not take the BDM project in the last. Let me tell you my story. My proposal was rejected. Then I submitted proposal in next month because you have to submit the report in next month if the report is rejected. So 2 months. Then my proposal was approved. Then due to interim exams and all, I missed the midterm submission, and in next term I submitted the midterm submission and then again rejected, and then next month I submitted the midterm report and that was approved, and I was thinking, God please save me. If the final submission is rejected, I have to spend one more term for completing this BDM project only. So I recommend you to do the BDM course and project first. And
Yeah,
also,
definitely.
if I think we can take the questions now.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely,
Okay,
guys.
let me
I
complete the
think they have
conclusion.
raised.
Conclusion. I mean, simple, right? So
Conclusions will
conclusion is,
basically.
before any term start reading grading document, and with reading grading document you will understand, okay, how the scores are calculating, so you can develop strategies. Okay, so
Yeah,
how to
yeah,
get
we can share the document and discuss if students have some specific doubts. So
Hmm.
we can take doubts one by one according to the hand raise order.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think the queue is here. Arpit Singh.
Yes, sir. Please suggest the changes in the path I am going to opt for. Like I want to first go for the theory, and in the next term go for the corresponding project to that subject. I've sent in the chat
So
box.
is this your first term in diploma?
Yes, I'm going to enter diploma. I just completed the foundational level.
Okay. So how many courses you are planning to take in this term?
Three theory courses and one project.
Basically, I think
One
he has
project
sent
together.
Ravi. He has sent his pathway in the chat
Okay,
box.
okay,
Please
okay.
take a look at that. BMS, BDM, Mad1 in the first term, PDSA, Java, Mad2 in the second term, JavaScript and Java together. Okay, that will be hectic. Turn 3, MLF in term 3.
I think you should do this Med one project together
It's a very bad
in
plan.
term one
Don't go
itself,
for
so you can get good marks. Because if you, as Shreyans was telling, if you get 80 marks, that will be multiplied by 1.2, and that will be 96, and you will get S grade. So take advantage of that. And made one project is easy, and if you don't have any programming background, I suggest
Yeah.
you to join the boot camp. You have to pay 1000 or 2000, and the mentor will tell you all the process, how to create the project and how to design all the templates and everything. Basically that mentor will give you a demo, I mean, I think a 20-day session, and he will make a project in front of you, some another like project statement, and you can understand through that how he is doing all the process, and you can make your project accordingly. So that will be really easy. Even I was the mentor for Med one project, and majority of my mentees received S grade. And if you are comfortable enough that I can handle programming portion, then you can do yourself. So I recommend you to take the med 1 project in the term first, and in next second term you can start your bdm project. And because bdm project takes time, you have to talk to multiple companies or multiple shopkeepers or businesses, so it is really difficult to get the data. And once you get the data, you have to make the proposal, and you have to wait for the results. Your proposal is some like approved or rejected, so it's a long process. So you should start your process of bdm project from the term one itself. If you want to go slow, you can just start talking to business owners that I have this project, I want to do this type of analysis, and just tell about our degree. We in our degree we learn these things, these kind of analytics, and we can do this for your business, this can help your business. So if someone is convinced, he will give you data, otherwise it's really difficult to get the data. So you can start the data collection process or the exploration from term 1, and you can start the project from term 1 or term 2, the bdm project. And you can take your you can do your med 2 project after your term 2, because if you are doing the med 1 sorry, the bdm project and pdsa java and med 2 courses, then it will be really heavy. So it is recommended to take the med 2 project in term 3, but try to complete your bdm project before term 3. Or if like last submission is pending, then you can do that submission in term 3, and in after that submission and viva, and from the next month you can start your med 2 project. And mlp project is really easy, and you can change like TDS and system commands you are trying to take in term 4. So you can, what you can change, yeah, it's machine learning theory. You cannot do this, you cannot take MLT after MLP. Arpit, you have to change your plan. You have to take MLT first or together, I think.
Okay,
Nandan,
so
can you check the document again? I think they have prerequisite.
Yes, Ravi, you are correct.
Yes,
ML,
yes, yes, yes. There is a
MLT.
prerequisite.
Yeah, initially MLF was prerequisite, and MLT and MLP was core, like MLT was co-requisite. But from the second term, they changed the lectures and everything, because earlier the MLT lectures were recorded by Ashish Tendulkar sir. So student faced difficulties, and then they changed the lectures, and now MLT is the prerequisite for MLP. So you have to change this MLP to in fourth term and MLP in third term. And you can do the MLP project with MLP, so you can enter to the degree level after your 4 terms.
Arpit, basically, if you can see the screen here, the pathway that we have recommended for 4 terms, that is something you can go for.
yes, sir. So would it be like convenient to go for theory as well as the corresponding project to that theory course parallelly?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
definitely.
okay. If you do the practicals together, then you learn a lot. And there is also the bonus marks, so take advantage of that. Get S grade in all the projects.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I need to be a little bit ahead in the theory to complete the project. Is it like that?
Yeah, in Med 1 there are some lab assignments. I think till week 6 you have to wait, and after week 6 you can start working on your project. Or if you join the bootcamp session, then you can directly start with the mentor.
Or you can
And
watch
so,
previous live sessions.
Yeah,
Do one thing now. See, this is the term break. You still have 10, 12 days to for the term to start. basically start watching the lectures. Maybe you will be able to complete around 4 weeks, 4 5 weeks,
Yeah,
and that will definitely help you.
yeah. And project related lectures are available on YouTube on the BS degree channel and Med 1, Med 2 separate channels. So you can watch those live sessions as well. And trust me, Med1 project is really easy. MLP project is really easy. The heavy projects are BDM and Med2. Med2 is heavy in terms of skills and that like time required. And BDM is lengthy. If you make your project in 2 days, that is okay. But if the project report is rejected, then you have to wait for 1 month, and then you will get chance to submit again. So that is the thing.
Arpit, are you doing this degree alone?
Sir, I'm doing like going to go for MA yoga at post graduation, but that's not a issue for me. It's easy post graduation, so I
Okay,
consider it as a standalone only.
okay.
Okay, if
Fantastic.
you can give proper time, then this is a really good pathway. Just change the MLT to MLP, and everything is okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Who is next?
Yeah,
Pratana.
Pradhana,
Uh,
Prathana. Okay, sorry.
yes, so actually, I finished one term of diploma last semester. I took DBMS, MLF, and TDS. What would be
Okay.
recommended for me to take this term?
DBMS, TDS, and
MLF.
MLF. So take MLT and DBMS. Then you can take Med 1
Add one.
and
Okay.
add one more course. You
SC,
can
I
take
think.
she can take
Uh,
BDM because
BDM, she hasn't done BDM. Yeah, BDM.
yeah, so BDM project will take time. So take BDM, MLT, and Med 1.
okay, actually, like I'm doing offline college as well, and we are having Java here. So I thought like we could include Java here as well.
Yes, you can take Java. Then you can remove Med 1 from this list
Okay.
because you can do Med 1 and then Med 2 in 2 terms. But you are like you completed the MLF, then take MLT in this term, and next term you can take MLP, and you can take Med 1 project, and some remaining courses, and in next next term you will have option to take the Med 2. So these are the courses: BDM, Java, and MLT.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Daksh.
I have posted in chat box. Could you please check
Okay.
it?
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
What was the problem in BDM project? Struggling in data collection, or what is the thing?
Firstly, I didn't understand about the project, so I didn't. I only wrote that proposal,
Okay.
but I have not submitted even proposal. So I will take this. I will submit a proposal in this term.
Okay. So first thing, BDM project, add in the list, and MLT you want to complete in next 3 terms. So you completed 2 courses only. So you have to complete 10 courses and 4 projects. Jivraj, can you make the plan?
Basically, one term will go where you will have to take 4 subjects. So keep
Yeah.
that term little light on that side. Let's say you can take TDS, Java, BA. This term you can actually take MLT, DBMS, and what is there? Acha, Mad one also you can take.
Yeah, MLT and BDM is here, so he already doing the BDM project. So BDM project we have to consider. Okay, okay. Add MLT BDM project, and you can take DBMS.
DBMS.
Yes,
You can also.
yes, yes. Med one, and then you can take Med two. Okay, and if BDM is done, then in fourth term, when he will take four courses, add BA there because BA is little easy.
TDS also.
Yeah, you can add TDS as well. And MLT is here, system commands is here, then made one project, made two project. Then add MLP in second term, so he can work on MLP project in second term because in fourth
And the
term
Java. Java, you will have to take it Java because, but again, then fourth term में you will have to take PDSA.
PDSA.
PDSA, BA, MAT to TDS. It can be done. It can be done, Ravi. I think.
Or you can change the system commands to fourth term and PDSA to the first term. Because system commands is a heavy course, but it's a 8-week course. There are two OPPs, but in
Only one
PDSA.
OPP now.
Okay, okay. So there is a lot of more content in PDSA, and you have to take pen and paper, and you have to write those algorithms and understand. So it takes time. So doing PDSA in this term will be good. Yeah, you can follow this
Okay.
plan, but you have to work hard to complete in 3 terms only.
Okay.
Now, if you can extend, go for one more term, like please make. I mean, if you should work better. You should work better on the projects, like because that are the most essential part of this degree projects. I think
Yeah.
that
So
is something that will teach you the lot.
please take a screenshot of this plan, and you can write. This is recommended from our side. You can do changes if you want to, if you plan to do in 4 terms, or any plan or any other changes if you want to do later, you can
If I took
do, but take a screenshot.
the TDS and MLP and MLT in this term, and MLP project and BDM project.
Like, why do you want to do that?
So
Because
TDS.
that
you cannot take
so that
MLP before MLT. I
Huh.
think MLT is
both
prerequisite.
subject, if I took both subject in this term, MLT and MLT,
No, I think it
so
is
that I
prerequisite. So
I think
like
MLT is a prerequisite now for
yes, yes.
MLP. So you cannot take MLT and MLP together.
okay.
Yeah, but try to work on BDM project. Then in the next term, you can work on MLP and Med1 project. And MLP and Med1 are easy. Then Med2 and BDM. As I told earlier, sometimes BDM project becomes a 6th month project. If you miss some submission and your like reports got rejected, then it becomes 6th month project. So do it as early as possible.
Yes, because you don't want to be stuck with a project, just a project in the your one more term, last term. I mean, that won't be very nice.
And also a lot of students were struggling to enter in the degree due to projects, and majority of them were struggling with med2 because they haven't started earlier, and they thought now quiz 2 I will start after quiz 2, and after quiz 2 I will start after end term, and then submission deadline, and then I will do in next term.
Okay, that's, I think
So,
that clears your out.
so you added a TDS in term to. Should I
This is
take
not
in term?
recommended, Daksh. This is not recommended. TDS again. TDS. I did it in my term two of diploma, and that TDS is a pretty interesting subject. But you will learn the most if you do it at last. That is what I'll say. You will
Okay.
learn the most there if you do it at last. In the third term.
A Med 1 project and MLP project will be okay to do with in same term.
Yeah, because this MLP is really easy. There is one Kaggle competition. If you know all the process, how we clean data and how we train models, basically you have to learn pandas and scikit-learn only.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. I think now you can keep TDS in the third term with
Okay.
MLP because that will actually help. Dhivraj, what do you say?
Xerox has internet connectivity issues.
Okay, okay.
Only thing is Java. Java maybe last term is good. System commands is 8 weeks, so can be done with this. But DBMS, these things should be done. So
That would be too OPP
Here two
heavy.
projects are there, so
yeah, but Java is easy. So I mean, yeah, taking in middle is better. But there are two parts, so you can do
That
MLP
will
part in
be
the next term also because MLP part can be done in 10 days if you understand how to
yeah,
load data.
yeah, you can do in third term as well.
But you said that it will be evaluated by 120 marks if we do in same term.
I think in two terms,
same,
right? Or
same
same
and
term only.
subsequent term.
Yeah,
Okay,
Same
same.
and
okay.
Okay.
subsequent term.
Okay.
So if you can't complete, then complete in next term. But better you start math one part this term itself so that you can understand and you can work well in the next term.
Yeah.
So work before. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Aditi. Okay. She has been asking question for a long time. I have a short question regarding lateral entry and exit. Lateral entry. Entry.
Yes.
Entry. I think
What
that is
is your
merit
exact
diploma.
question? I think we have to give her chance to speak.
Yeah. Aditi, please speak up.
Hello. Yes, I've just completed my foundation level, and basically, I'm also pursuing an offline degree where I'm going into the master's level. So
Okay.
I do not want to like take the academic pressure of both this degree and my master's degree. So I
Okay.
was wondering, but I do want to do the diplomas. So I was wondering, if I can laterally exit from the course now and enter later, perhaps say like 2 years later or something. Like, is there an option to do that?
No. If you want to complete this, then I think you can take three RKs. I mean, you can take 1 year break and then you have to join. Otherwise, you cannot do. Or the second
Okay.
option is after 2 3 years, you can join through the diploma only entry.
Okay, like the DAD qualifier I'll have to give.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that will be okay. Like I can do that, right?
Or you can take one course in each term or something because you have 4 years to complete the diploma level. That is the flexibility. So you can take one course in each term or you can do
Okay.
3 years.
Okay, if I take one course in each term, how long is it going to objectively take, and how difficult, like how is the difficulty level of every single course, every paper?
Yeah, basically you have to give some time. That is the required thing because
Yes, yes,
without
of course.
giving time we
Hmm.
cannot get good marks. So
Hmm.
but yeah, I think students are managing 2 or 3 courses with offline college as well. So if you want to focus more on your offline degree, you can simply take one course in each term and some projects
Okay.
in between.
Okay.
It
And
is.
can I do just one diploma and exit? Is that option there?
Yeah, that is there. And
Okay,
also
so
if you took one course in each term and like I have exams after 3 months, then you can take one term break and you can do your planning in this approach as well.
okay, fine. What all courses does the diploma in data science have?
Uh, Nandan, can you make a
How
list
many
or can you
courses?
show all the courses of diploma in data science?
Yeah, diploma in data science. Yeah,
Yeah,
business
these
data
are
management.
6 courses.
Hmm.
So the business data management courses are related to like how data is uh, collected and processed in business and how we can generate insights from the data. So this is a Excel related course, and there are some business related concepts. And the business analytics course is the extended version of this BDM, you can call it. And in this, a lot of things related to demand and supply and these things, some microeconomics concepts. And this tools in data science course have some tools like Excel and like Apache workflow and a lot of tools. How scraping works, how we scrape the data from different websites and do the data cleaning and all the things. And these 3 courses are related to machine learning. So
Okay.
these
Okay.
this MLF course is
How many
purely
how
the
many
states
how many
two
pro-
maths.
projects does diploma in data science have?
BDM
Two,
and
BDM
Two.
and MLP.
Okay. Okay. And how much time do you recommend to like complete this one diploma?
That depends on you. You can do in
so
2 years. I think
yeah.
they give 2 years of flexibility to do one diploma.
Okay. 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 Also, does the fee structure of the diploma level remain the same as that of the foundation level?
No, no. In diploma level, you have to pay uh,
First
two
credit
thousand
for
five hundred for each credit.
Basically, let's say if you have a 4 credit course, it will be of 10,000,
Yeah.
and a 3 credit course will
Okay.
cost you around
So
7,500.
complete fees of the diploma in data science will be. Can you tell me, Nandan?
Wait, 10 subjects are there, 10 theory subjects of 4 credits are there. So
yeah.
basically, I think 1
No,
lakh.
no. I'm telling about one diploma,
One diploma, 50,000, 57,500, and the theory,
two projects,
I
two
think
projects,
that
five,
has two
five.
projects, 10,000. So 67,500.
No, no. I think project fees.
5,000 each, right? 2 credit, na? So it is 67,500, I think.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, for one diploma.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that is a one diploma.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. That is all I wanted to know. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
You're welcome, Aditi. So the
Minimally
next
Pratap.
is Penumali Pratap.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I'm finished 2 terms in the diploma, and I have taken only the data science subjects till now. In the last term, I have taken 2 projects, but both the projects are still pending. Actually, in the sense, my proposal got rejected in the BDM, and for the MLP project also, actually, it's a D grade. So I think there's no choice there anymore. So what should I do
So
now?
can you write the list of courses completed in the chat?
Hello.
Okay, could tell me what you have completed. Pratap, can you tell me what?
I have completed MLF, MLT, MLP also.
Okay,
Hello.
And BDM and BDM.
I have
and
completed,
BDM. Okay. Yeah, you have completed MLF, MLT, MLP, and What BDM. else?
yeah, business analytics is for the data science.
Okay, so BA, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
BA.
BA.
Hmm. So you want to do the diploma in programming also?
Yeah, I want to do diploma in programming. If possible, go to the degree level, but I don't know. And
Okay,
I,
okay. Then, so you want to take two courses in
Then how
each
many
term
terms
or
were
3 courses?
it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm ready to go slow as long as I want to be eligible for the degree level.
Okay, then take 2 courses only, and then add a med one in yeah, in this term, med
this
one,
term only?
and
Okay.
with med, no, 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 next term, after
Yeah.
yeah.
Mad one, and
And in this like term two, because the BDM project is pending and MLP project is pending, so add MLP project first.
But can I take the MLP project once again with the degrade already given?
no.
I think you can take in the registration window, there will be option for repeating the project, because project repetition is allowed and the fee is also
So
same.
Okay. So already for the MLP project, the statement project, the statement has already been issued, right? Kaggle statement that.
I'm not sure about that, but yeah, you can register again for the project if you want. So you can do that,
so
and you are already working on the project, so you have to basically submit your improve your proposal and submit again. So these two
Yeah.
things will be running parallel to these courses, BA and DBMS.
Okay. Only take DBMS and business analytics and focus more on both the projects, MLP and
Yeah,
medium project.
and try to complete in this term, so you can take med one project in next term and
Yeah.
add one
Hmm.
more course Nandan for next term.
okay, what is the subject?
Yeah. I can take a system commands or anything like that, right?
I think
The next time.
you can, yes, it will be okay, or you can
Yeah,
add
Mad
PDS.
one system commands is good.
Okay.
Mad two and MLP project, right? This term,
MLP and BDM both.
both okay.
And next term you can
Have
add.
you completed the projects?
No, I haven't completed any project, right? Two times my initial proposal of the BDM got rejected. And this term in the September 1st, I didn't notice I could submit the project. I had 2 3 days time after the end term, right? I should have submitted the
Oh.
proposal. I missed that also.
So guys, listen this experience. This is how the BDM project takes a long time. So it
Yeah.
is recommended to do as early as possible.
Both two subjects, what are they? TDS,
Okay, yeah, this
Java
is
and
a
PDSA.
better way to complete.
TDSA, okay. TDSA, yeah, next one. TDS, along with Java, you can
TDS
manage.
I have,
Java and Matu don't keep it together.
no, TDS I have already completed.
Oh, completed, great then.
What about BA? Have you completed?
No, BA
No, BA not.
I'm planning to take in this term. Along with that, only DBMS you suggest, right? And try to repeat the MLP project and BDM, continue with the
Yeah,
BDM.
this is the plan you can follow. I think
Uh,
system commands you
do
can
you give
add.
it math programming?
Yeah, programming little knowledge I had, but I don't know. This has a system commands has OPP, right? And
Yeah,
DBMS
DBMS
also has.
also have OP. So you don't want, right?
Yeah, because projects I want to stress because there is a minimum for each project you need to get 70%, right? It's not overall 70% for the projects to be
Yeah,
able.
average should be 70% for all the projects. If, for example, you have S grade in one project and less grade in another project, that can balance. But average should be 7.
Mhm. But D grade they have given and the score is 60%. It is not sufficient, right, for MLP
No,
project.
average should be 7. If you have 8 in somewhere and 6 in somewhere, that can be balanced to 7, and you can
Yeah,
still go to degree level.
yeah, you can improve in your BDM and Med 1 Med 2 project, and you can get S grade in Med 1 project if you submit in the same term, and uh, if you get like 80 marks, those marks will be converted to 96 and you will get S grade easily. So
MAD 1 along with MAD 1 project, theory and project.
yeah, if you want to remove this MLP, then you can work on the BDM project only, so you can complete that in this term is only in one term,
So
because if you will give some time to make the reports good, then the TA will not reject your reports.
okay, yeah. So MLP project. So average of all the projects should be 7 CGPA
Yeah,
7.
yeah, GPA 7. And for
It's not.
courses, GPA should be 6 to enter the degree level.
Yes, and only the confusion is should each minimum marks in each project should be 7 or it can be 6.
No, no. Average of all the four, like you have seven, like 6
In
grade points
ML
in some project, 8 in some, 10 in some, 9 in like mid two, then average.
should be 7. Okay,
Yeah.
yes.
There is nothing like in specific project you need to get this much. The average should be above 7, above or equal to 7. That's it.
What is proposal in BDM? So let me tell you, in BDM project there are 3 submission. First is proposal submission that you have to submit in like first to fifth date of each month. If you missed the time, like then you get another chance in next month only. You will not get chance to submit on 8th or 9th date of that month. Then if your proposal is approved, then you have to work on. Okay, okay. Then you have to work on the midterm submission, and then midterm submission window is 6 to 10. And if your midterm is approved, then you can work on final report. And after final report, there is one viva.
Yeah. So, can I get any help from BDM through the any mentors or other than the Sunday lectures given by the professor?
I think there are some live sessions. You can join those live session for BDM project. You can ask your doubts there, and I recommend you to go through their all the documents provided by them. Like they have a proposal structure, so you can look at that document and make your reports according to those documents.
Yeah.
Okay, I have sent the playlist link. You can watch the videos.
Yes.
You can get better understanding.
Okay,
All right. Thank you.
who is
Guys,
next?
about these playlists and all these, you should actually watch these when you're taking the course. Like, let's say if you have taken Mad One in this session, in this term, then do watch the live sessions as well.
Yeah.
You'll know it. That will be very much helpful for you. So, okay,
Okay,
we'll move on to the next person, Chirantan Dik. Yeah, Chirantan.
Chirantan, or you can let's go to next person. Rudransh.
Hello, we cannot hear you.
Chirantan.
Hello, hi. My this is Rudran.
Yeah, Rudransh, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Actually, in my previous term, due to summer vacations and all, I took PDSA, DBMS, and all. I mean, I took like 4 subjects: PDSA, DBMS.
Guys, can we do one thing? You can write your completed projects in the chats.
And I just had like few questions of how should I take, like should I take these 2 subjects together, these 2 subjects. Matlab, it was not very detailed.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Chirantan, just wait for a few minutes. We'll clear the doubt of Rudransh firstly, and then we'll come back to you. Okay.
Okay.
No, so all I wanted was ki for an easy term, should I take these 2 subjects together? But I just wrote some questions
Hello,
there, so
can
that's
you
all I
hear me
wanted.
now?
Please wait.
Chirantan, please wait for a few minutes. We'll basically take Rudransh doubts first, then we'll come back to you. Don't worry. Okay, yeah, Rudransh, go ahead.
So should I take? So in my later terms, I was planning of taking BA and BDM project together. Will it be very tough, or how will it be?
No, BA is really easy course.
Okay. No, matlab, I want BDM project is a little tough, which I know.
Yeah.
Matlab, getting data and all, but BA and BDM project, I wanted that term to be a little light for me. That is all. So
Yeah, BA, if you are
It's
good at
really easy.
yeah.
okay.
If you have the data, then you have to work on the analysis and reports only.
Okay. So, okay. So, and also next summer vacations, I was planning on taking MLP project and
John term,
BDM.
right?
Next
Next
summer
summer vacation
means May, right?
means-
Yes, May. So,
Okay.
and in this time, I'll also be a little bit busy with some internship which I had got. So, I
Okay.
is this
So
fine? Matlab, internship. I'll be going and I'll be having. It'll be taking some time. So will MLP and MLP project with BDM together with that? Will it be
How
okay?
you will do the BDM project first before doing the BDM
No, no,
course?
no. MLP project and BDM. That's all.
Have you completed
Uh,
BDM theory?
So yeah.
then
So
how
next summer I'll be doing a BDM theory.
then how can you
Then
do
how
big
can you
project?
do project first?
That
So
was my
BDM
question.
project I'll be doing. That's what. Now I'm not telling the complete story. So should I paste that thing or should I?
Tell
yeah, it will be better if you paste it on the chat box.
Acha, okay. I have everything in Excel sheet. So
Oh, I
uh,
got. You will not submit the project. You will work on the project part, right? You,
project part I'll do in September next September term
but
2025.
you will start your analysis and earlier, and then you will show that I work in this timeline. Basically, you will tell the cost team that I did in this timeline.
Matlab BDM project I'm doing in next summer vacations. Sorry, BDM theory I'm doing next summer vacations and BDM project after that, whatever. Like,
So why
So
you are
okay.
telling like I want to do in this term BA and BDM project?
no, 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 not this term, not this term, not this
So
term.
what is
Have
the plan
so
for this term?
yeah.
This term plan is to take MAD2 and MLT.
No, no, Mad One. Have you completed Mad One?
Yeah, so I've completed PDSA, MAD1, MAD1 project, and DBMS. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So basically, you can take here Mat 2, I think. Then you can also take.
He want to make
How
this.
you will take BA? How you will take BA without BDM?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. BA is so that is not. So I
Basically,
was telling
Ravi,
BA and
basically he
everything
was
is next
telling about
September.
2025. That you
Actually, he
will
Not
was
take it.
telling about
2020.
September 2025, I guess.
Yeah.
So this term, okay. So this term is MLF and TDS. MLF and TDS. These two things I wanted to take together. Then
Okay.
next term is MAD2 and MLT.
MAD2
Immediate.
and
MAD2 and MLT.
Matt, okay.
MLT.
And then so May term will be summer term. So that is why I was thinking of MLP project and Java.
Java,
Hmm.
okay.
And then it was then in this term okay,
BA and
so
BDM.
yeah, BA and BDM. And
BDM
then
project.
what I think
System commands left.
system
So it is
commands
not recommended
and
to take.
MAD2 project is also there. So that will be
Better to take BDM this term itself because I mean because of that you can delay entering into degree level. So better to do BDM this term and take BDM project this term itself.
actually I cannot take three subjects here right now. No?
So you
So
And
can
better
push
to
TDS
TDS.
to
TDS too.
later because it is anyway
Mhm.
very,
Yeah.
I mean, you need
The
to,
exams are pretty easy, I think, for TDS now.
Hmm.
If you are thinking from that perspective.
Okay,
So
okay.
Matt to Pert start before. That's what I can say.
Mm, but it'll be very heavy. I wanted my terms to be very light here. Na?
I mean
All I
it will
wanted
take
is
another
ki
3 4
in
months
see so
exam.
in previous terms I took a lot of subjects together and then matlab, I could not get good grades in every subject. So that is why I was like ki, uh, I'll do all
Now, see,
this
Rudransh,
terms. This
this is
terms.
the story of diploma. You don't have too many easy subjects. I mean, you cannot
Yeah.
escape that, na? So
No,
basically, you will have to do it.
Rudrans, if you start working on BDM project as early as possible, that will be the best for you. Otherwise, you can listen a story of many people who are struggling to
Mhm.
complete the BDM project in 6 months as well. So if
Okay.
like your some report is got rejected, then you can have two terms, so you can do remaining submission on those So I think this is a perfect plan, and you can take a screenshot of this.
Okay, fine. I'll take once. Okay, I'll take screenshot.
So TDS and system command 8 week course, so don't think about it. And my suggestion for you is between September 24 and Jan 25, there will be some
Yeah,
other.
this is a good plan. If something is missing or some project is not cleared, you have one term, so you can do that.
Yeah. And between you
Okay.
can prepare for Mat 2 project. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Also, I think after completing one diploma, you can get into internships or something, right?
Yeah, you can apply for internships, and then they have four tests. Like one is presentation, one mock interview, one English test, and one aptitude test. And there are some live sessions, and you have to join of all of them. Your attendance is recorded, and
So
on.
it will be research internships or what it will be?
Oh,
Rudransh, that we'll deal with later.
Yeah.
I think
Right
that is
now,
something you
that's
can,
not.
yeah,
Fine.
because there are many other doubts. Chirantan,
Yes, mine is I have already completed DBMS Med1 along with project and Java in the Metam, and I am
okay.
planning to take mm, uh, the rest of the diploma in programming courses like PDSA, SCP, and
when you entered in the diploma level.
Metam.
Okay, so you completed four courses in this term.
No, no, one
Uh,
project and
uh,
3 courses. Yeah.
Haha,
Oh,
yes, 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 yes. And I'm planning to complete the full diploma in programming in with means our September term. And
so
after
then do all the remaining courses.
that, I am planning to take I mean break. I mean long break. I mean 1 to 2 years. So
No, no, no.
You
You
cannot
can.
take
No, no, no.
2 years
See,
break.
firstly, for everyone here, RKs you can only take 3 consecutive RKs. If
Then
you
you can
one
do
more than
one
that, you will
course.
be rolled off. Your enrollment will be rolled off here from the list.
In between, you have to take one or two courses in
uh,
one term, and then you
because
can take it.
the thing is I sometimes my conflicting dates about the exams and my college exams means in May term only I have means my exam center is not in my city. I have to go far in the train, and hotel stay is expensive there
Yeah,
also.
yeah, I can
It's
understand.
exam center is city is bustling Durgapur city, but exam center is very far from it, so not
So, which
nearby.
degree you are pursuing? Which offline degree?
Offline degree I am pursuing B Tech,
In
Okay,
CSC,
IT.
IT,
okay.
that
In
will
Uh,
be
which year?
helpful.
we have the similar syllabus actually
Yeah,
nowadays.
okay, then
Okay.
that will be helpful, I think.
Uh, the thing is means dates are intermingling, so I have to go there, and I am such a person means I cannot means remember many things for a long term. If I have to learn something, I learn in the short term, and then I apply it. So
Okay, so basically in this term you can do all the remaining courses like Med2, PDS and system commands, and you have to do the Med2 project, and then you can take break of two terms or three terms. And when you don't have your examination, like the semester starting time, then you can register for one or two courses,
okay.
and then you can take
Uh,
some more break, so
Also,
you can do that.
Maybe first you
another
can
thing because
analyze. Okay. Yeah,
can I
maybe
say
first you
something?
can analyze the exam dates, and if they are clashing,
Basically,
then only you
yeah,
take RK.
Chirantan,
Otherwise, don't take.
yeah.
Yes,
Basically,
yes.
we don't have the dates for the exams, right? We don't
The
have the dates
problem
for the
is my
April.
college doesn't announce my dates. Midterm before 1 week, and semester, yeah, it's time 1 month,
when
one before one.
when your next semester will start?
In my college,
Yeah.
college means course already started. We don't know when the midterm exams will be there. It will,
Okay, Achal.
midterm exams are easy, okay, but problem is semester. It will be announced, I think, 1 month ago. but by that time I am already inside the course. Means
Okay, see, Chirantan. Okay, for this term, you want to basically complete the programming diploma. So MAT 2, PDSA,
yes,
and
yes, yes.
SC, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I just
In
want
Metu
to means
project.
secure a diploma just, and then I want to continue actually with this course. So
Okay.
uh, and
Okay.
also
Just a second, Chirantan. Jivraj, can you write here MAT 2, PDSA, and SC in this term?
Hmm?
Who is writing? Nandan.
Nandan. Yeah.
Okay.
PDSA.
PDSA.
Metu is there.
Yeah.
Metu is already there.
Just yeah, change it with system commands.
SC,
SC.
right, SC. And
And
in the project,
you want to take
in
MAT
the
2 project right now?
yes, yes, yes,
yeah,
yes. I want to
Right
take
now,
it.
okay.
Metu.
He wants to take MAT 2 project right now. And okay. Then
Then
he can take BDM here.
wait,
I
wait,
think he hasn't taken BDM right now.
guys.
No, no, no.
He
I
has
have
the
not
problem.
attended any means like this course selection, so I did not know such a
But
tragedy
he has
about
the
BPM.
problem to visit the another city for exam,
So
so he want to
BDM ka
take course.
Ravi BDM ka
Ravi,
ye hai na. So there is no quiz 1 and quiz 2 in BDM. So basically you just have to go
Okay,
for enter.
yes.
Means that I have no problem. Means the exams are means at a gap, so I will manage. But if suppose 5 days my college exam, semester exam,
Okay.
then
No, we understand. We
Sunday
understand. We understand what you want to say.
Sunday.
Okay. So, we understand what you want to say. I think BDM and what else he can take in that
Actually, if you take BDM there, then he can start working on BDM project.
project. Yeah, basically.
Yes. Okay. So means it's BDM. Actually, the course is not tough though. Means so tough.
No,
I
it's
No,
mean,
not
it's
tough.
not tough.
I actually took programming first instead of data science because my maths and stats are a little weak than means pure programming. So that is why I took. BDM is not so hard though.
Actually, in BDM, you don't need to know much about maths. It will be just
Okay.
Excel formulas and all those stuff.
Okay.
For
Okay.
maths and stats concepts to apply, I think the
Yes.
MLF and MLT will come in picture.
Okay. So maximum, I think I can take means two things at once in next times if I want to means without taking break I want to continue because
Yeah.
okay. So BDM I will take after completing the September tab. Okay. Thank you.
Srijan, you are writing in the WhatsApp group about raising hands. Don't worry, we'll take your question. Don't worry. Manish. Okay, guys, try to keep your questions brief. Like, okay, we are very happy to help, but okay, again, we are short on time. So, yeah. Manish.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I had a question. This Can you elaborate a little bit about the BDM project because it's come up again and again in the conversation. Uh, so I have access to a company which is more of the B2B format. So I'm concerned about like how much
Manish. Can you raise this question at last?
I can do that. Okay. So I'll just move to my next question.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. So, like I said earlier, I had done the EBMS and I took 3 terms off, and now I still wish to pursue both the diplomas. So, like combined diplomas, like I have a time limit of up to 36 months, right? Correct.
Yeah, I think Jivraj.
I think you can do all the diploma courses in 4 years. Complete 4 years are there.
No. So in the student handbook, if it's written like if you're doing diploma in programming, then the max time limit is 24 months.
So you are
Uh,
pursuing only one diploma.
No, I want to pursue both. So the max time limit written is 36 months or 12 terms.
Actually, 24 plus 24 is equal to 48, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's my question. Like in the student handbook, if you see, there are 3 columns, like where the diploma in programming.
There are some extra like milestone you have to do this much courses in this timeline, and the whole timeline is 4 years, I think. So you
Hmm.
can check the student document.
The student document says both the diplomas together in a max time limit of 36 months. So that's the what is the thing? Is it like 4 years? Is it 48 months or is it 36?
When you check the student handbook,
This is from earlier, I think.
and I think details are updated now. You have to check again. So
Is it possible
now
for you to post it in the chat box?
the link.
I think the for
Yeah.
Okay, let me check.
Ravi, I am doing.
Okay.
okay. Daksh, please check this one. Is that what you term one MLT? Term one MLT?
Next candidate who is
So I also have one more question. Sorry. Is it possible that I can do the PDSA right now? You said the white ones are can be moved around a little bit. Is it
Yes,
suggested?
yes,
Is
you
it
can do that.
yes? So okay, I can do that, right? So I can do pursue like a PDSA and BDM. BDM is a light subject, I believe, right?
Yeah, BDM theory is a light subject. Project is a different story.
Yeah.
That we'll
Okay.
discuss about it.
Okay.
Okay,
Awesome.
the next question. Okay, Sankha Subra Ghosh.
Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah.
yes you are.
So this is my first time taking diploma, and I selected subjects like TVMS, MLF, and BTM. And also, I want to take BTM project. So, will that be manageable?
How much terms you have taken in foundation level?
I 6 terms. Like I was stuck in mathematics 2 and statistics 2. So, need to 2 or 3 terms more.
Can you write in the chat how many terms you have taken and which courses in foundation level?
Okay, we have already done foundation questions
Total
with
6
diploma,
terms
right?
in foundation level,
Yeah,
and then you are trying to register for 3 diploma level courses together.
yeah.
Did you take RK in between? Like, did you drop some terms in between?
Yeah.
No, no, I didn't.
Okay.
Actually, I studied statistics 2 and maths 2, almost for 2 terms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me tell you one thing. Diploma level courses are difficult than foundation level courses. So take some time and keep some good GPA. Otherwise, it will ruin badly.
Basically, you have to study every day. Like the basic difference between foundation and diploma is, let's say,
Yeah.
for foundation, if you study 2 3 days before exam or 1 week before exam, then also you'll be able to score a good marks. But that's not the case with diploma. For that, you'll have to study consistently. Consistency is the key. From the very first week, if you study properly, attend the live sessions, watch the lectures, do the
Yeah.
practice assignments and the grade assignments on your own, then it shouldn't be that difficult. But again, that's from person to person. But again, you know your capability. You know how much time you can
Yeah.
give. So please,
And one more thing,
Also, the
MLF is similar to Maths 2 and the States 2 course.
uh, so I have one
So
doubt
how do you
regarding
feel? How
BTM
do you
project.
feel like I have all the formulas of states 2 in my mind and Maths 2? Then you should take MLP in this term itself. And if you think you have to revise again,
MLP.
then you can take that
MLF,
level.
yes, MLF, yes, MLF.
Actually, in week 11 only we'll study about statistics 2
Yeah,
concepts in
but
MLF.
things are related to Maths 2 and states 2.
Yeah,
And
maths one very much.
if
So
you are
that's
struggling with maths and stats, then you will struggle in MLF as well.
Brush up your
about that
concepts.
BTM project.
Uh,
Like, how will I be able to reach a particular shop or company to collect the data?
We will not take these questions today. We can have another session on some another
that
topic.
are very descriptive sessions. Do watch the live sessions, guys. Like
Yeah.
there must be channels for
Yeah,
BDM pattern. There are
because
separate
today
channels.
today we are taking the questions of course selection only.
Yeah. Okay.
Otherwise, we have to spend 30 minutes on that particular topic.
Yeah. Otherwise, the session will go on till 12 a.m. That is something we cannot do.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, okay,
That's
and I'll
what
move on to
was
the next
said.
question. I'll move on to the next question. Next person, Sehdev Singh. Yeah, Sehdev. Okay. He has raised down the hand. Okay. Ram Naresh Upadhyay.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Sehdev. Okay, Sehdev it is. Okay, yeah. Go on.
Yeah. So I'm doing this course standalone, and
Yes,
now I'm
hello.
entering the diploma level. So I
Okay.
Yeah.
want the first term to be very light. I want to pursue the four term diploma course. Okay, in four
No, you
terms.
are doing it standalone,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah,
My
in
first
four
question is
terms.
how much terms you have taken in completing your foundation level?
Three terms. Three terms.
Okay. So can you tell me the subjects combination?
Okay, for the diploma
No, no, in foundation.
foundation, I have taken in the first term all four subjects.
Okay.
And then I had taken Python and English, then Maths 2 and Stats 2.
Okay. Then you should take MLF and BDM and
That's what I want to say. I want to, because of medical issue, this term I was not able to focus that much on Stats 2 and Maths 2. So first term I want to take DBMS, BDM and Java. Java is easy, so though I can focus more on my Maths 2 and Stats 2 revision. So I want to push my MLF
do
to
you
the
have
next term.
any programming background?
Yes, I have taken. I have some programming background. Like I have some Python, very good Python and DBMS. I know DBMS knowledge. I have some DBMS knowledge.
Then you can take these courses, or you can take like
Also, manual also you can do.
if you want to complete in 4 terms, then guys make a plan of 4 terms.
Yeah,
See,
four terms.
try to do Madden right now. Like instead of Java, try to do Madden right now so that
Yeah,
If
you
you already
can
know
do the
Python,
project,
so you can.
and then
Oh,
you can move to Med 2 as well.
okay, okay. So BDM BDM project I could do right now, right?
no, no, you can do it right now. You can take it right now.
Yeah. So what
Yes,
is the bonus for the projects, right? Do we have to complete in the same term to get the bonus?
same or
see, see,
subsequent
see,
term.
And we
Okay.
don't
let's say
have any
I
bonus
think
for BDM.
we don't have bonus for BDM
Okay.
for.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, about the bonus thing for Mat 1 and Mat 2, basically what it is like, let's say you have taken the theory course in the September term. If you complete the project in this term or the subsequent term, the next coming term, then your max will be multiplied by 1.2. Basically, it is capped out of 120. So that is the bonus.
Okay. Man.
So you can take this path and you can move Java to the next term if you are confident. And system commands is better to do in the next term.
So
Yeah.
can I do Java like earlier so I could focus more on like
No,
uh,
Nandan,
Java?
don't put Java and JavaScript together. Like he can do SE here, na? That will help him in Mat 1
Yeah,
project as well. Later.
but okay. So do Java in last term since you're already confident. And TDS, yes, last. What are the rest?
TDSA.
PDS, okay, PDS. Python, you're good, so no need to worry. Just algorithms you need to know. And
What is BA? BA is left.
BA is left,
yeah,
yeah.
BA. If you're good at mathematics, then BA also you can do without worrying.
I want to do like maths 2, like the courses, subjects that requires maths and such stats
Art,
knowledge. I want to
yes.
do it on a later terms.
Yeah, so MLF will require that knowledge. So yeah, you can work on this on that maths 2 and stats 2 concepts in this term, and next time you can proceed with MLF and then MLT afterwards, then MLP afterwards. Okay.
I think only these
Okay.
two will require maths and stats knowledge. Okay, so you can
Also,
complete
this
maths.
BA will require some understanding of mathematics.
I will revise it before this term only in September term. I will
Okay,
revise
so
it.
this is the
Yes.
plan. You can take a screenshot of this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
who's the next person?
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Ram Naresh. Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm just putting the question on chat
One
Okay.
second. This is the questions.
Separate study sessions.
I hope you took the screenshot.
What
Yes, there will be study sessions for projects, which will be taken by our instructors.
And there is mentorship as well. Like I think mentors boot camp, like Ravi
Yeah,
mentioned
you
before.
have to register for that and pay some minimal fee like 1,000 or 2,000.
And the
Okay.
link for that will be on there on your dashboard in the pending payments, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
will be there.
I think one Google form is circulated, and after filling the form, they will send the payment request.
So yeah,
Okay.
Those
you can
Would I,
definitely
would
there.
I would I have to initiate that or that will be
No, no,
available?
that will be you'll get a mail. Do keep a check on that. Okay.
Okay.
They will send a Google
They'll,
form, so you have to fill the form. You need like mentorship support or not. So
Okay.
after that, they will ask
Second
for the
second
payment.
question.
complexity in pathway in doing 4-term plan. Like, are you talking about our 4-term plan that we suggested?
Yes, 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 yes.
I don't think there is any complexity in that. Meaning, see, the projects are there in that term only. So yeah, I don't think there is any complexity in that. It is pretty
Okay.
light loaded and feasible for you to do.
And third question is how to plan to complete project on required time frame. So start as early as possible. That is the thing.
actually
Okay.
from Ravi, from this term, Mad1 and Mad2 team have also started publishing projects a bit earlier. So they have already released the project statement.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. They know the
problem
problem
statement was
because
released for the Mad 1 and Mad 2. The problem statement was released on the end term day only.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Earlier, they used to take 15 or 20 days after starting the term. This term, they are very active and they have released it very earlier. So
Okay.
that is one advantage.
Okay. This is what I wanted to ask. Thank you.
Okay, good. Trisha.
Sir, I'll be pasting the plan which I had. So, like, I want you to give suggestion based on it. So, yeah, I'll be pasting.
Uh, um, DBMS, PDSA, MAD1 theory, MAD1 project, MAD2 theory, MLF, MAD2 project, VDM, MLT, MLP project, BA, TDS, SCA. Are you missing any subjects here? She's not, right?
No, I don't think so.
But yeah, I think it is BDM project.
Uh, s- since you were saying about BDM project, I thought of actually taking BDM theory in second term and then doing the project along with MAT2 project. So that was the only change I thought. Will that be fine?
I think this is fine. Ravi, what do you say?
I think you can register for the project with BDM course, and then you can start talking to businesses. If you get the like data in this same term, then you can start working on proposal. And if your proposal in approved in your term 3, you can do the remaining work in term 4 if you need.
Oh, like
Because
can one project extend for 2 terms also?
yeah, you can
Oh,
do remaining part in next term as well. I did this thing like my proposal was rejected, then I submitted proposal again, and then proposal was approved, and then I did the remaining portion in the next term.
okay. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
Arpit.
I have
Yeah.
sir, I have taken programming in Python for the first time from May to September term, and my course grade at the end term is I underscore OP. So, sir, what should I
You
do
have
now?
to repeat the OPP.
You need to
Yeah.
repeat OPT.
Yes, sir. Sir, my quiz 1, quiz 2, and end term scores are passed, sir. Only two OPP I failed because of the technical issues, my hardware problem from my side, sir. So I have to give the OPP once again.
Yeah, you have to
Yes,
give the OPP
yes.
once again. Yutika, you can paste the question in the chat box. I'll try to answer. Okay. Moving on to
Sir,
the next person,
sir,
Arpit.
it's
Yeah.
not clear, sir. I'm thinking to give two RK for the next consecutive terms. for the next two consecutive terms to RK, I am planning to give. So should I take the re OPP in the coming term or after two consecutive RKs?
You can talk to giving
I
gap.
would
You
say
can give.
just finish in this term.
See, about the DOPP thing, basically your other marks like end term marks, the quiz marks will only be counted if you complete your OPP in the coming term. If it's not completed, then you'll get a U grade, and then you'll have to repeat the whole course.
Sir,
And
what is the fees of only OPP?
I think 2000 or 1000.
2000, I think.
Seniors will-
Guys, for these things, please refer the
But
handbook.
two OPPs were there.
Yeah. Please refer the handbook for this. Basically, the fees are updated on the term-to-term basis. I mean, it won't
Grading
be
document also.
grading document. It will be there or in the student handbook. Please refer to those. Jivraj, are the links of that the links of that have been pasted here, right?
Yes, I have pasted and I
Yes.
have pasted it one more time.
Okay. So guys, please go and see. Okay, Arpit Singh.
Sir, the four-term plan suggested by you in that MLF is in the first term, and we need to follow MLF, MLT, and MLP in the sequence. So, is it possible to shift MLF? Like, I need to brush up the concept of stats 2 and maths 2.
Yeah, you need to.
I think you can take MLF and MLT together. Jivraj,
Yeah, they can take together. Only thing is, it might be a little too tough. As Jivraj mentioned, I think
yeah.
basically how they refer the concepts in MLT is through column vectors, and in MLF, what did you say,
Actually,
Jivraj?
their representation is different. Otherwise, in MLT, it will have a lot of algorithms which we use in machine learning. But whereas in MLF, there will be mathematics. So they are not much related. Few concepts will be imported from MLF to MLT, but not much related.
And sir, in the BDM project, is there any time limit for the proposal only?
Yeah, I think as Ravi mentioned, the first for the first 5 days of the month is for the proposal. Then there is a midterm submission, and then there is a final report submission. Otherwise, then you'll have to go on for the next.
If you do not complete any project in two subsequent terms, then I think you have to pay the project fee again and do the project work again.
And so for MLP and BDM, is there not any factor of multiplication of 1.2 like getting out of
For
120
BDM, we
marks?
don't have anything like that. For
And in MLP, there is some time limit. Like you have to get this much score before this date. That is something in MLP and in Med 1, Med 2 to like this same term and the next term.
Yeah.
And so for MLP, it is not necessary to have in the same term the project and the theory.
Yeah.
In MLP, you can start building on project after completing first 4 weeks of theory course.
Yeah.
Like I suggested,
I hope that clears you out.
MLP in the last. Sir, you suggested
MLP theory we have suggested in the third, I think. Just a second. Nandan, can you please go on that?
Can you go back?
Oh, which one?
That four-term pathway.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, mixed best path 4 terms. This one, right?
Yeah.
So MLP is in the third term and MLP project is in the fourth term. So would it be like 1.2 multiplication out of 120 marks we get?
See, in MLP, it won't multiply it with 1.2. You will have 5 bonus marks for submission of milestone. Milestone will be some assignments for which you will get bonus marks if you do them in timeline. And
Okay,
so
sir.
total marks you can get out of 105, not 120.
Okay.
Basically, I think the programming projects have that bonus of 1.2 in multiplication of 1.2.
Yes, in this term, they are also planning to remove those 5 marks for MLP project. Because in this term, what happened, 50% of the students got S grade in MLP project. Now they are deciding to reduce those 5 marks.
Oh. चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next is Kshitij.
Okay, hello.
Kshitij.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Kshitij.
Yeah, so I've just completed my foundation.
Yeah.
I'm also pursuing a BTech degree in CSE.
Okay.
I was just wondering if it is possible for me to complete the diploma in 3 terms.
3 terms.
Yeah, along with my
I
degree.
think.
The degree is
Yeah.
not that
See.
hectic.
See, for the 3 terms, that what we said is, let's say, it will be hectic because again you'll have to take 2 projects in a term and you'll have to take 4 subjects
Yeah, yeah.
consecutively in all the 3 terms.
Right.
And diploma does require some time. So I
Okay.
mean, I won't to recommend. I mean, we won't recommend like what for a good CGPA. For a good CGPA, I'll recommend like take your time, build your projects nicely, because that is
Yeah.
something that will be helpful for you in the interviews afterwards, for the internships or for the placements.
Yeah, yeah.
That
So
is
yeah,
something we'll.
yeah. So for example, in the first term, I follow your 3 term plan. I
Yeah.
take MAD1, MLF, BDM, DBMS, MAD1, and BDM.
So do you
And
have any
Like,
experience
do you have
in
a good
DBMS and
programming
MAD1?
background?
sorry.
Do you have a good programming background? Like, you have experience in DBMS or
I'm
MAD1?
very no. But I'm very good in Python.
Uh,
Like
Again, I.
I know Java. I don't have to study Java.
Okay, but again,
Yeah.
all these
So
courses are more than that basically.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah. Okay. I was just wondering. So if I took the this plan of 4 courses
yeah,
and 2 projects, and for example, I I was not successful in the BDM project.
yeah,
So will I be able to pursue BDM project in the next term?
yes.
Yes, you can.
Yes. Oh, so and nothing will change, right? The bonus will be there.
For
There
BDM
is no
project,
bonus in
there is no
BDS.
bonus.
There is
Oh,
no
okay. So
bonus
for
in.
example, MAD1.
Yeah,
So
For
there will
bonus
be
in
the bonus.
BDM.
MAD1, you can get bonus if you do in the same term, or else you can do in the next term.
Next term.
Yeah. So for
Yeah.
example, if I do it in this term, but it's not up to the mark, and
Okay.
I
Okay.
try to pursue it again in the next term, will I get the bonus?
You will get. You will get.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And okay, my second question is, what about the NPTEL courses? So if I complete the NPTEL courses currently at the moment, will I
Yeah.
be awarded the credit points in my BSc level?
Yeah. I think yes.
They have mentioned about some subjects till which term you can credit
Yes. Yes. Yes.
NPTEL course credits. So it is in student handbook
Student
specifically.
handbook. Do refer to the student handbook for subject specific NPTEL courses.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Srijan. Yes.
हेलो।
Yeah, Srijan.
मेरा कोर्स सारा हो गया, प्रोजेक्ट 3 में बचा हुआ है, सिर्फ मैट 1 हुआ है अभी तक मेरा।
Please come again. थोड़ा सा there is some sort of background disturbance from your side.
एक सेकंड फैन ऑफ करते हैं। हाँ हेलो।
Yeah.
मेरा कोर्स सारा हो गया है, प्रोजेक्ट बचा
Hmm.
हुआ है
Okay.
3।
Okay.
तो मतलब नेक्स्ट टाइम हम प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे तो साथ में सोच रहे थे कि ये इम्प्रूवमेंट दे दें, तो किस सब्जेक्ट का देना चाहिए हमको?
अरे how ये
जिस
ये
सब्जेक्ट
तो
में लेस ग्रेड आया है उसमें देना चाहिए
हाँ, तो
ताकि
मेरे
वो
पास फाउंडेशन का भी कोर्स है और डिप्लोमा का भी है, मतलब 3-4 में डी है मेरे पास।
I mean diploma के improvements are 20,000 per course. And foundation के courses का improvement is 8,000. So I mean,
अच्छा
see what
फाउंडेशन।
you can do.
Yeah, if you have something in foundation, then I think improving those will be much better.
Yeah.
They will give you high CGPA plus low cost,
Yeah.
अच्छा
Plus
हाँ।
it will be easy.
and it will
अच्छा,
be easy as well.
और बीडीएम में सेकेंडरी डेटा यूज कर सकते हैं, तो वो मतलब मैक्सिमम मार्क्स कितना है उसका?
D grade.
D grade. Yeah, you will be given D grade straight away.
अरे मतलब मार्क्स यार, ग्रेड तो हमको ही पता है, बीए 70 है या 60 है?
60.
60। तो शुड आई डू इट? मैड 1 में एस है, बाकी सब में अगर ठीक ठाक आ गया तो
So
सेकेंडरी
on average, you have to get 7 GPA in projects if you want to move to degree.
हाँ, और मतलब उसमें 60 आया तो 8.5 हो जाएगा एवरेज लगा के, अगर बाकी सब में 90 प्लस आया तो सेकेंडरी डाटा कर लें हम, क्योंकि प्राइमरी तो मिलेगा नहीं, गांव में रहते हैं सब, बोलता है कि क्या करेगा डाटा का, तुम हम रखते नहीं है।
नहीं, मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट देखा था जिसमें उस स्टूडेंट ने किसी किसान का डेटा लेके भी किया था। हरी
I think data collection will be tough.
डाटा अगर कम हो तो चलेगा क्या?
मतलब प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए
अगर
सफिशिएंट होना चाहिए।
वॉल्यूम अगर किसी बिजनेस का बहुत कम है तो वो चलेगा क्या?
प्रॉब्लम को कवर करने के लिए सफिशिएंट होना चाहिए।
अच्छा, जैसे साल में अगर उनका मान लो कि 50 सेल है तो साल में
50?
हाँ
50 सेल है, ऐसा कौन सा बिजनेस है?
अरे होता है यार, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट का बिजनेस, उसमें मतलब मोस्टली कम ही सेल होता है, क्वांटिटी पर सेल ज़्यादा होता है, मतलब प्राइस, बट क्वांटिटी कम होता है।
हाँ, अगर वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है तो यू कैन लुक फॉर इट।
वही तो यार, आई डोंट नो व्हाट प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व, मेंटर ले ले क्या?
देख लो यार।
लाइक बीडीएम के और बीए के कोर्सेज में लास्ट में दिखाया है ना, कुछ केस स्टडीज भी है,
हाँ
तो उनको फॉलो करो, फिर तुम देखो कि क्या प्रॉब्लम तुम और फिगर आउट कर सकते हो।
अरे मेन प्रॉब्लम है कि हम बिहार से हैं, तो मेन प्रॉब्लम है कि साला काम करवा के 3-4 महीना बाद पैसा देता है, तो एनालिसिस करके हम ऐसा क्या निकालें कि पैसा जल्दी देगा?
तो वो डेटा के अंदर होता है, वाई द पेमेंट इज हैपनिंग लेट, डिलीवरी में कुछ होगा इश्यूज,
अरे
डिलीवरी
देखो,
लेट हो रही है।
तो जिस दिन काम करना था उस दिन तो हो गया, उसके बाद आप कॉल करोगे क्लाइंट को तो वो बोलेगा 3 दिन बाद देंगे, उसके बाद आप बात करते रहो।
अब आप स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम ले रहे हो, अब वो हर एक क्लाइंट के साथ ही हो रहा है, वो देखना पड़ेगा।
Okay.
वो आपको सोल्व करना है ना, वो हम थोड़ी बताएंगे उसे।
Figure it out on your own. Figure it out on your own. हम लोग we'll move on to the next problems.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक।
चलो दिव्य। दिव्य।
दिव्य।
अरे आशुतोष।
Yes, भैया, I paste question on my chat box.
Chat box. आशुतोष. Where is your question? Please, I mean, don't make us.
Just now I paste.
Just now, okay. Hi sir, I am completing my foundation in four.
Four
In
term.
four. Okay.
Four
In
term.
3 term, third term, I took Python, but due to bad internet connection, I couldn't clear OPP exam, and I don't have any coding knowledge and background, and I'm just 12th pass and doing this degree standalone. And so in fourth term, I completed my path Python with 87 marks and S grade. My current CGPA is 7.5. Term 1, Maths 1, English 1. Term 2, Maths 2, Stat 1. CT, term 3, Stat 2 Python, English 2, term 4 Python. So, sir, I want to diploma in 4 to 5 term, which will be better for me, and what is my subject? I mean, we have recommended this pathway for 4 and 5 terms. I will say you should follow 5 if but that will go on to for you'll be completing your diploma and foundation in total in 3 years. So that can be a problem because what the course team has suggested is if you're doing this degree standalone, your degree should be completed in 4 years. So try following that. Try sticking to that timeline. So yeah, for four, if you want to complete your diploma in 4 terms, yeah, we have given a pathway here, and 5 also we have given a pathway, and I think that is the best pathway. You can follow. It is lenient. It will not have too much load on you. So yeah, you can follow that.
भैया फर्स्ट टर्म में हमको पीडीएस से लेना चाहिए या नहीं? Because I know only Python.
No,
PDS.
Ashutosh, you should not take PDS in first term. Don't
You
take
should
it.
avoid taking
Okay.
PDSA in first term.
PDS is a heavy subject. So go with DBMS and
Oh.
BDM. Go with DBMS and BDM.
Okay. Thank you, भैया.
As recommended in the 5 one. Okay. The next is CD Tony.
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
See, my doubt might be a bit irrelevant with respect to diploma program because I'm still with foundation. I have to do the four subjects: Maths 1, Maths 2, Stats 1, and Stats 2. Though I had cleared the internals, rather the continuous assessment, all that.
Just a second, just a second. Nandan, please make sure that they don't have edit access to this Canva presentation.
Yeah, yeah, no, edit.
Okay. Yeah, CD Tony. Yeah,
Okay.
continue, please. Sorry.
So that's okay. But for some reason, I wasn't very confident about taking the end term exams always. And sometimes it was lack of confidence, and sometimes I would have some emergency situation arising in my family. I'm a bit old too, like I'm 55 years old. And
Mhm.
so, but now, next month, probably in another couple of months, I'll be traveling to New Zealand, and I want to know if I'll be able to continue my degree program there because I know if Dubai and US or Singapore and in places you may be having centers, but I'm not really sure about New Zealand.
Yeah,
So,
I think they do mention about this. Like you can take exams at home. It is proctored exams.
Actually, there are some
Uh,
proctored exams in some
yeah,
countries. So you need
there
to
are. You'll have
write
to write
mail.
it to support. Basically, they'll
oh,
guide you more better on this.
all right, okay. So because this time I still haven't chosen. I mean, on 12th we have to register. So I just want
Yeah,
to know how to go about that. That's why I asked you. So I
okay.
just have to write to support. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That they
All
will
right.
help better.
All
Yes.
right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, Daksh, again, I think you want me to check the pathway. Okay, you have completed BDM and MLF, registered for BDM project by pending. So, yeah, to try completing in this term, MLT, DBMS, PDSA, BDM project, MLP, MAD1, Java, MAD1 project, MLP project, BA, MAD2, TDS, SC, MAD2 project.
I
I am
think
little
MAD 2
bit
can be
confused.
shifted a bit up because
I
Yeah.
am little
then
bit
it might.
confused because you changed the TDS and SC twice in term 2 and term 3. So
MLT, DBMS, PDSA, MAD one, but Jivraj, he cannot go with MAD two in term two
Mm, he
because
can he can push MAD 1 a bit up, and then he can
I
push
think
MAD 2 also a bit up.
you can do
you told
PDSA
this
at
path,
last,
but
I think.
you told this you recommend, but I am little bit confused because you changed Java, SC, and TDS to term 2 and term 3. So
System
what
commands
was
also I
the
will suggest you to take in term 2 because there is a OPP and that's
High
why
risk of failing.
yeah.
This is. Did we recommend this one? Like this is pretty heavy. In,
Yeah, last two terms
MLT.
are pretty heavy, and we haven't included MAD2 and system commands in any of our pathways in the last
Mat
term.
2
Until
project
unless
in
it
the
is
last. Oh, no, 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 no. SC, we are not recommending SC in the last. I don't think we'll ever recommend SC in the last because, see,
I took
earlier there used to be.
screenshot, so I took
actually
a
okay.
screenshot also.
We could have recommended for the for completing diploma in programming in 2 terms.
Yeah, I mean, there were so many changes.
Could you
Basically,
please recommend again this term?
okay, Nandan or Jivraj, please do one thing. Suggest him a pathway for this. I'll take other questions till then. Okay. Daksh, please look in the chat box. They'll be telling you. Okay. S. Bharadwaj. S. Bharadwaj. I have 6 CGPA. Okay. And what path should I follow? 5 term path. 5 term path. That would be better. Okay.
Please talk. Please talk. It will be easy.
I mean, the end of the day, it depends on you. Like, if you're doing another degree with this, you are having some commitments. Maybe you're doing something. So that actually depends on you. See how much you can manage, how much you can give load. And what I'll suggest is consistency. Study consistently. Don't keep it for the last week. If you keep it for the last week, then definitely the grade won't be good. So yeah, that is something I suggest. Prashant is.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to know the difficulty level of system commands. Like just watching the lectures and live sessions enough to understand the code and give the OPP.
Yeah, practice also is important. If you
Practice,
Prashant, you should
practicing.
practice PPAs, GRPAs, and BPT questions. If you
On
do
your
that,
own.
then you will do very good in system commands.
Yeah, start from the week one. Yeah, start from the very first week.
Is it like
Uh,
I've completed diploma in data science now
yeah.
and MAD one and DBMS in the previous term. Like
Okay.
I'm going to register for MAD one project and PDSA. Can I do system commands along with it?
Yeah. PDSA is a subject, right? Huh, you can do, and it will taking SC in this term might help you with Mad One project. So yeah, go ahead. It is good.
Okay, but is the OPP is like tough in system command?
OPP is tough if you don't study. OPP is won't will be easy if you actually practice. So don't worry about that.
So I can very well do PDSA and MAD one project and system commands.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay.
And just the
Vaibhav.
lectures are enough, right? Like watching the weekly
Lectures, live sessions,
I
practicing
know.
on your own, PPS, GRPS. I mean that is enough.
And the understanding the code, like is it difficult the coding or
No,
Uh,
coding is not difficult. Understanding the syntax is a bit difficult. It will be some 3 or 4 line of code, not more than that. Some 3 or 4 statements will be followed one after the other. First, you will filter some data. After that, you will sort the data, and then you will try to find some unique data by removing the duplicate items. And this is simple standard pattern. You will do one step after the other, and there are small lines of code for doing that. Understanding
Jivraj,
them
are
is,
there live coding sessions for this?
yeah, we have
So
Replit.
do follow that, yeah, Prashant. It won't be a problem. Do follow that.
okay? And for PDSA, like what is the strategy for?
Watch the lectures, watch the live sessions, practice the end term papers. I mean the past year papers.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Vaibhav Kumar.
Yes, sir. I have done the first term, and in the
Yeah.
first term, I took MLF, Java, and PDSA. Unfortunately, I did not take a project, so that was a problem on my end. So, what do you recommend if I want to finish it in the 4 terms? What type of, what do you recommend?
What did you take?
So, I taken MLF, Java, and PDSA for my
okay,
first
send
term.
in chat. We will arrange and we will send you.
Okay, sure. I want to try to finish it in like 4 terms.
4 terms.
So,
Okay.
Yeah,
yeah,
mention your requirements in chat. We will try to arrange them.
Yeah.
sure.
Manish Kumar. I think you have posted a question there. I am doing this course standalone, but I wanted to complete programming and diploma first, so you could suggest. If you're doing it standalone, why do you want to do it like that? I mean, go for the mixed path. That is the best path. Go for the mixed path. That is the best path. Otherwise, otherwise, I think we have given a. Nandan, can you move the slide?
Uh, which page?
No, that mixed, non-mixed one, the individual
Mm-hmm.
pathways. I mean,
Yeah.
there is no use of doing if you are doing it standalone. So maybe it will take you more term than it would take you in normal. So there is no use of doing that. So no, not recommended. Arpit Singh, your question.
Sir, I am going to do MA Yoga as post graduation. I also want to prepare for the competitive exams. So would it be fine? The 5 term pathway suggested by you. I pasted it in the chat box also.
I was pursuing during foundation another degree which I completed in June 2024. Now I'm pursuing post graduation in MA Yoga and want to prepare for competitive exam. If I take 5 terms completed, I would consider the competitive exam. No, it shouldn't be. You have completed in 3 terms, no, it won't be an issue. You can complete your
It's a
BSc and BS in 4 terms. That's not going to be an issue.
it's a with respect to company interview also. If I go for 5 terms for diploma.
No, it won't be an issue. It won't be an issue. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Mithilesh.
Hi, good evening, sir. Sir, actually, I'm a working professional. Okay, so from in January term, I took a system command and a MAD one theory and MAD one project. Okay, so in that I have only completed MAD one theory. The system command and MAD one project is still pending. So again, in the May term, the same happens that it is still pending because I couldn't give time. Now in the new term, I'm planning to keep the mad one project aside. I will plan it for later, and this term I'm planning to system command clearing third attempt. This will be my third attempt, and PDSA. Is this the right way to go move forward?
Basically, in system commands, where are you actually stuck at? The OPP.
uh, from it's practice, but I have understanding. I already have the knowledge of this, but due to practice I'm lagging. This is the only concern. I know 80% all this, whatever it is being taught in my organization, it is being also used, but due to some more practice it is lagging. That's all.
Okay, so practice papers. I mean, solve the PPAs, GRPAs, solve the past year papers. That is
Yeah.
something we can recommend. And as
Because
of the subject,
I'm aware of this system command is not new to me, but this IT Madras structure I have not used in real life, so I am not able to give time. So I'm planning to go for a system command and PDSA this term. Is it okay with this heavy subjects?
please come again. Please come again. I lost you for a
I'm
moment.
planning to again re-opt for system command and new
Yeah.
subject I will take, that is PDSA. Is this
See,
the
okay.
right combination?
Yeah, you can take one more subject. I think it will be better. It will be beneficial. Okay.
Because I am not taking other I have some other personal commitment also, time is study. Yeah, that's
Okay.
why.
Okay.
So I
No
just
issues. No issues. Yeah, you can go ahead with this. Go ahead with this. Yes.
I'm not clear with the complexity of PDSA. That is what is make me concerned.
PDSA, Jivraj,
Mm-hmm.
about PDSA, tell him about PDSA.
Is it these two subjects? Because I have some personal study also, so only these
Basically,
two
you
subjects.
have to see in any subject. Basically, the pathway is uh, watch the lectures, watch the
And
live
P-
sessions, solve the practice assignments and the graded assignments by yourself. And there are
Okay.
OPPs in I think PDSA. So do have a look on
Okay.
for that as well. The OPPs aren't
Okay.
compulsory; like you don't need the OPPs to pass the course, but again, it will definitely affect your grade. So pay attention to that. And about the
and for
interns,
PDSA, if you want to score good grade, doing PYQ is a must thing. Practicing PYQs and solving
Okay.
practice assignments and all those stuff is very important.
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
Manish,
And Mad One project I can since in the past two terms also I couldn't complete. I can keep it aside, right? Future I will
Actually,
at the end I
for
will.
Mad1 project, maybe you can take some help from mentor. There will be some mentor session.
yeah,
Yes, yes,
definitely go for
yes.
that mentor sessions. Go for the mentor sessions. They'll be
Okay,
most
sir.
helpful.
They will
Okay.
boost your speed a lot.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ishan, what is your question, sir? I have completed MLF, TBMS, MAD one. I want to complete diploma in the next 3 terms. I am doing it standalone. I haven't completed any project. Please suggest me a good pathway. Our 4 term one has what? You can take what can you take here? Firstly, so you can take MAD one project here. Then MLT. MLT, yes, MLT. You can take MLT also, and uh, okay, okay. This will be done better in the chat box. Jivraj and Nandan, if you can see. I think this is you can do the diploma, complete the diploma in the next 3 terms. It shouldn't be that
I
big
have given
problem.
access to a Google Sheet in the chat. Please fill your timeline and I will arrange them and you can see there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the next doubt. Swati.
Yeah.
Swati.
My
Swati.
doubt
Which
is,
Swati?
yeah, am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Swati.
my
Go ahead.
doubt is like I'm starting the diploma right now, and I have a good background of programming and all, but again I'm weak in maths and stats portion. So
Okay.
will it be okay to go with the 3 terms plan as you have mentioned?
3 terms plan. I'll not recommend 3 terms plan.
I'm pursuing this as a standalone.
I'll still not recommend 3 terms plan. See, the thing with 3 terms plan is, yeah, you're doing it standalone, so you definitely have time. But again, the key here is to give some time to the projects here. I mean, if you do it in hurry, won't matter much.
Like
So I
most of the subjects are like DBMS, Java, and PDSA. So
like
I
you
know.
have completed the foundation in 2 terms, right? So you are already ahead of time than normal students. So
No, no,
basically,
I
if
have
you
completed it in 3 terms, and just because of maths and stats too.
how okay, you're from 23 F3. Oh, okay, okay. You took 3 terms to complete. So you can go with the 4 term plan because the concept of maths and stats will definitely come helpful in MLF and MLT. Chivraj, what do you say? 3 terms or 4 terms?
Because my maths and stats are really weak. That's
Then
why.
you should go for 4 terms.
Yeah, go for 4 terms. It will be good here.
Okay, thank you.
Tanushri, please look at my doubts also. Where are your doubts, Tanu? Where it is, where it is, where it is. Please paste it again. Please paste it again. For the time being, Ishan and Manish, I think your doubts have been taken. So Tanushri, okay, please, what is the difficulty level of BDM theory and BDM project? The 4 term way path. BDM theory is easy. BDM projects, there are complexities to it. I think Ravi actually told you, like the proposals get rejected. Sometimes the midterm submission gets rejected. That is the thing. The data collection is a difficult task. Sorry, I was out. Was my doubt answered? I posted a while ago. Wow. I mean, okay, okay. Royal treatment. Okay. For Tanushri, term 1 DBMS MAT 1 theory plus project and MLF. Okay. Term 2 MAT 2 theory, MLT, BDM theory plus project. Okay. Term 3 SC MAT 2 project, MLP theory, Java. Okay. PDSA, BA, MLP project and TDS. Yeah, this is good. Yeah. And you have mentioned another one, DBMS, MAD1 theory, MLF, BDM, MAD2, MLT, BA, SC, MLP, MAD2, PDSA, TDS, Java. Both are good. I
Both
think
are equivalent,
both are pretty equivalent.
more or
Go with the
less
first one.
equivalent.
Please, I'm doing this degree only try completing it in 4 terms, but don't take load if you go for 5 terms. If you go 5 terms, like it's not like the life is going to end if you complete in 5 terms. But yeah, I mean, see, the suggested plan to complete this whole degree if you are doing standalone is 4 years. Don't take a term or don't take 2 3 terms more than that. Don't complete it in 5. But yeah, if you take one more term extra, then it's not going to be that big of an issue. You can explain that. From where do we need to collect the data in BDM project? From the businesses. Okay. Uh, any other questions, guys? Aman, what was your question actually? Like what did you actually ask? Swati. Yeah, Swati.
Yeah, my question is that if I'm doing this in 4 terms, so will I be
Yeah.
able to complete the whole degree in 4 years?
Yes.
How many
3 terms
terms you
and
have spent in foundational level?
3 terms.
three. She
Yeah,
took
then you
three,
will be
so
able to.
she'll be easily able to. Dekho, basically for a BSc and BSc you need 4 terms.
Okay,
Like
only four
not
terms, right?
it's not 4 terms. Like if you do the fastest pathway is 4 terms, I'll say. Maybe you can have your degrees, have your credits transferred if you're doing apprenticeship or any other thing like that. So four degree in 4 terms is very doable. I think so. Yes, I think so. Yes. Is there data available on some website or something? That secondary data, if you are going to take, then the maximum grade that you will get is D. If you are planning for that. Okay. So Aman's question was, I'm doing this parallel to BSc Physics degree in which I am in SEM 3, which they are going to complete in 3 months by December. Okay, so your SEM 3, basically your SEM 3 will be completed by December, right? Okay, so I wanted to know what and how many courses should I pick for this term, as I have entered diploma level. I was thinking of 2 before, but now I don't know what number of courses to pick and exactly what the course is. So, I mean, how much loading this BSc Physics degree is? Like how much, how lengthy are the courses? How hard are the courses? Because only then we'll be able to answer. Can I then I'll just do that, and okay, I'll move to the next question. Can I get to know which courses have OPP and which don't have any
Seansh,
quiz?
we have already mentioned this in second or third slide.
This, guys, I'll tell you, go read the grading document and read the student handbook. 75% of your doubts will get cleared by reading those two documents.
This
By the
semester.
way, for foundation, there is only one that has OPP, Python. For diploma, there are, I think, DBMS has OPP, then MLP will have OPP, SC has OPP, Java has OPP, and PDSA has OPP. And I don't think I'm missing anyone. TDS has ROE. That is not exactly OPP, but yes, ROE. So I think there are 6 OPPs. I think
Basically, in programming diploma, we don't have OPPs for MAD 1 and MAD 2,
MAT 2.
and in data science diploma, we have OPPs for MLP and TDS only.
Yes. So 6 OPPs. And for as of quizzes, I think BA has quizzes. BA does have quiz, right?
Yes, BA have, TDS don't have.
TDS doesn't have, BDM doesn't have, and any other no, I don't think so.
So if you want to relax a bit in a particular term, you can take these subjects.
Okay, so Aman has mentioned that this sem is hard with algebra and all the wave optics. Wave optics is okay, no, it's not easy. How if you want to take two, then DBMS and what you will say, Jagraj? The DBMS and Madwan, or you can go for DBMS and BDM.
DBMS and BDM seems much better.
Yeah, that is much easier to do. Okay, sir, what is the deadline of? Yeah, how will I know the deadline right now? What is the deadline of
1 to
submission?
5
Ha, acha,
every
ha,
month.
so okay, BDM. Ha, for BDM it is for 1 to 5 every month. Time limit 1 to 5. Same.
They read the medium guidelines.
Basically, when you will be now that you have registered for the project, then you'll be receiving some guidelines here. Do follow that. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Any other questions?
Please raise your hand if you have any questions.
Yes,
I'm
yes, yes.
top.
It's sort of hard to go in the chat and read the questions, man.
Yeah.
My eyes are burning right now. Web
It's
of, yeah.
past 8.
It's
Should
past
stop
8:30. Yes,
recording.
I have started at 5. Okay, so guys, jaldi jaldi. Web
Divya,
of.
I have not asked you a
Recording off
question.
karo bhai. There's only one doubt. If I want to redo a degree course, can I do it after I finish? Diploma course. Can I do it after I'm done with diploma too,
Yeah, you
or
can.
should I do it only when I'm
Improvement, right?
doing
You are talking
diploma?
about improvement.
Improvement. Yes, yes, yes. Improvement.
Yes, yes, you can do it.
But the only thing is,
Late.
they will not consider after you. I mean, if you want to get some what is it, certificate of best CGPA, something like that, after completion of diploma, even if you repeat the courses, they won't consider it for the
Okay,
best
okay.
high CGPA
But my
certificate.
overall CGPA changes, right? Yeah, the
It will
certificate I
change,
won't
but
get.
you will not receive that shit.
Okay, sure. Thank
Like
you.
certificate of merit or excellence or
Ah,
appreciation, something like
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
which
yeah.
you get when your CGPA is above 9, 9.5, something like that. Okay. Arpit again.
Sir, the proposal like needs what we are going to do for the company, that thing, no?
that you need to uh, read in the doc guidelines. But yeah, in this slide we have made so you can read this.
Okay,
I mean,
sir, it is recommended to start collecting the data one term before opting for the BDM project. So if we opt this term
yeah.
and we start collecting this term only, so would it be okay?
So the thing is,
Yeah, you can do
BDM
that
project
as
should
well. I
begin
mean,
the first term, and they should prolong it the next terms. Yeah, sure.
Okay,
okay.
thank you.
This is
Extend for
done.
the next one.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Ishan, can we complete both degrees in 4 terms? Both degrees?
He mean to say BSc and BS, I guess.
Yeah, you can complete that. You can complete that. You have to get around, I think, how many credits are there? 56 credits, right? 56 credits. 8 can be transferred from NPTL,
So
and
48 credits.
and from the apprenticeship stuff, you can have a maximum of 12 credits transferred, I guess.
If you
Yeah,
take 12
but
credits in a particular term, then you will end up getting 48 credits in 4 terms, right? And if you want to
Yes,
get 12 credits in one term, you just need to do 3 courses.
yes, yes.
So 4 terms is very much doable. Just subjects in a term and 8 credits from NPTEL.
Mandatory subjects are 5. The two,
Yes.
I think the two core courses, the software one and the AI deep learning one, and SPG, strategies for professional growth. That is the mandatory course. Along with that, then you have varieties of courses there. So you have to check out for that. And there are some conditions for that as well. I think Himanshu, that you need to do 2 programming courses,
yeah, that's but another part. That's you have to think in BS level.
yeah,
That
Can you
that
explain
is
that part?
long way.
yeah, someone is saying something.
Jivraj was saying, I think.
I was saying, can you explain the path?
Yeah, the thing is that like when you are in BS level, so you have to take the 4 level courses. So the 2 courses should be in programming side, and the 2 courses should be in data science side, and 1 courses should be in management side. Like you can take
Okay.
any courses, like, but it should be in the programming end.
And recently, they have also introduced minor in economics, I guess, minor in
Mm.
finance or economics. So for that, there is another
They will also
mandatory
give you a
course.
degree.
Yeah, so that the changes
No,
will
no,
come.
not
There
a
will be more.
degree. It's just a
No, just
courses.
to mention that we have done minor in that also. So
The thing is that like we can't achieve the things by just computationally. So we have to also get some knowledge in the field of other fields like finance and economics. So it's good to go with that. That's why they are introduced.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys. Any more questions? Madhuresh Kumar, sir, is Java, MLT, Mat2, Mad1 project a good combination? Java and Mat2? I don't know.
I mean, if you are well with programming, then you should go. Mad 2 and Mad 1 project, yeah, doable.
It's
You
doable.
can
It's
go
doable.
with you can go with whatever you like. These are the recommendations. It would be better if you can go by this path. But if you can think that you can do, then you can go by your.
I mean, yeah, you can complete your degree in 3 terms here. I mean, diploma in 3 terms.
Even you can do BSc and BS in 3 terms.
Yeah,
There is a
definitely.
path.
Take
There is
four,
a
four,
path.
four.
They take 444 and two NPTL 8 credits from NPTL.
Yes. So, take low. I mean, that depends on you.
But that's dependable.
Do we need to submit the feedback form? Which
नहीं नहीं
feedback?
नहीं
For this
नहीं
session,
कोई
maybe he's asking if you have created
no
any
feedback.
feedback form.
No, I think we have done a very good job. So no, I'm not going to take any feedback. Okay. Can we take 4 subjects in the first term only? DBMS, MAD, and MLF, BDM as standard? Yes, you can take.
You can take.
Any more questions? Any more questions? I'll be wrapping up in 1 minute. Yes, I'll be wrapping up in 1 minute. Nandan, you can stop the recording.
Okay. Stop recording. Stop recording.